All right, welcome back on this Thursday evening. We're going to take a look at our first alert headlines to start. What do we have for you? Well, tomorrow we've been talking about it throughout the week, a weather day, first alert weather day for a wintry mix of precipitation along with some slick roadways. Perhaps some areas getting a little snow accumulation. We'll talk about that here coming up. Plus, nice weather. We get to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, a lot of sunshine, breezy conditions, temperatures still above the norm. But let's go ahead and focus on that first alert weather day. Really focusing on your Friday afternoon through Saturday morning. So we've got our first alert forecast. What do we have for you? Well, tomorrow morning could see a little bit of rain moving through areas like Fergus Falls, Alexandria, Wadena, and again, even Detroit Lakes could see a little bit of rain. That's overnight tonight, early tomorrow morning. Then we jump into the daytime hours tomorrow. Could see a little bit, just a little bit of frozen precipitation just south of Grand Forks and heading west toward Findlay, Carrington, even perhaps Jamestown. This is just a very small area, slim chance we'll see a little bit of frozen precipitation. Not really much of an issue at that time, I don't believe. Once we get into the afternoon and evening hours, look at where this precipitation is working, taken all the way to early Saturday morning. The reason I want to point this out is weather model runs over the last 2 or 3 runs have been pushing this system farther or farther south. So the good news there is that once you get north toward Grand Forks, especially areas west of that Devil's Lake Basin, looks like you're going to stay out of any mess with this system. You're in Fargo, out toward Jamestown, and then heading off to the east. This is where we're thinking there is that good opportunity for slick roadways late Friday into early Saturday, perhaps a little accumulation of snow as well. But to be honest with you, I don't think there's going to be a lot of snow on the ground when this system is all said and done on Saturday. Maybe some very light accumulations. But again, the main concern here, late Friday, early Saturday into Saturday morning, is going to be those roadways in the areas where we do see precipitation, because the temperatures will be just right for those slick conditions, those icy spots out there. So if you are out traveling late Friday into early Saturday morning, even through the AM hours, 8, 9 a.m. Just know it could be slick out there in some spots. Please take it easy when traveling. Snowfall potential, again, not a lot to this in terms of snow. Some areas could see as much as an inch. We start heading east of Fergus Falls, maybe a little bit more than that. But by and large, most around the region are going to see ½ an inch or less, with most seeing very little to no accumulation at all. So again, that's what we know with this system. Again, as the models come into better agreement, this system is not a big, strong system. It's not one that features a lot of wind. It is mainly about those slick roadways. So we're going to kind of take a minute here, pause, and look at this photo. This sent in by Dave Pippin earlier this evening. Sunset tonight. It's about as pretty as it gets. Love the shot, Dave. Thank you so much for sharing this photo. High temperatures today. Again, we broke a record in Fargo. 49 the high. The old record was 48. 50 Jamestown. Look at these mid-50s here. Wahpeton, Fergus Falls, Elbow Lake, down to Sisseton. All areas we're seeing high temperatures today in the mid-50s. Right now, mid-30s, low 40s under a clear sky. For this time of evening, middle December, those are mild temperatures. Radar showing that satellite image of where we are seeing the rain is to our south, going to move up into the region. Tomorrow afternoon highs. Again, you can see most areas are well above freezing, and the areas that are seeing high temperatures at freezing or below, those are the areas that are going to be out of the line of fire for precipitation. Here's a look at that 11 days. And again, what we've got for you Friday, later in the day, through early Saturday. Fargo areas a little west, but then off to the east and south. Best chance of seeing some slick roads Friday night, early Saturday morning, then we dry out. 35 Sunday looking good. 33 Monday up to 40 next Tuesday.
And again, Christmas is now in the extended forecast. We're that close. We're that far into December.
And it looks like we could even see a little bit of snow. We'll keep an eye on that for Christmas Day.
All right. Thanks, Russ.